Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Anna, and guess what? I feel super happy today.
And I'm Leo. I feel, well, maybe a little sleepy, but also excited to be here.
Leo, did you stay up late again?
Yes, I watched 5 episodes of that cooking show at midnight.
5 episodes, Leo? You love food more than sleep.
True, but now I'm tired and a little hungry. How about you, Anna? How do you feel today?
I feel great. I went for a walk this morning. The sun was shining, and I saw a dog wearing sunglasses.
What? A dog with sunglasses? That's amazing.
Yes, it looked like a movie star. I said, "Good morning, sir," and he barked back. Very polite.
That's the best story I've heard today.
Let's talk about feelings today. It's easy and useful in English.
Right. Let's teach some simple feeling words.
On clearly. Happy, sad, tired, angry, bored, excited.
Clearly. Worried. Nervous. Okay. Scared.
Now, let's make some short sentences.
I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm bored.
I'm excited. I'm nervous. I'm okay.
Now, friends listening, it's your turn.
How do you feel today? Say it out loud.
Nice. You sound good.
Okay, Leo. Now, a quick game. I say a situation, and you say the feeling.
All right. Challenge accepted.
You win the lottery.
I feel excited.
You miss the bus.
Oh no. I feel angry and maybe tired.
You see a big spider on your shoe.
Ah! I feel scared.
Perfect.
A little more real.
Sometimes it's not just funny. Sometimes we feel a little sad or lonely.
Yes, and that's okay. We all have different feelings, and it's good to say them.
So if you feel bad, you can say, "I'm not okay today." That's brave.
And if someone says that to you, you can say, I'm here for you. Or, do you want to talk?
Final practice. Let's practice one more time before we go. Repeat after us.
I'm happy.
I'm a little tired.
I feel nervous.
I'm okay today.
And that's it for today's podcast. We had fun, we laughed, and we learned.
We hope you feel good, and if not, tomorrow is a new day.
And a new episode.
See you next time on English in Daily Life.
Bye-bye.